Hi foodies, how you doing? Today we're making a really simple sauteed veg. In Jamaica we call it steamed veg just because, it's not done in like a steam basket or anything like that. But after sauteing, we cover the pot and allow the steam to finish the cooking process. So we call it steamed veg. All right, let's get into it. So, what I'm doing today is just a few veggies. I have some French beans here. I love these because these are skinnier than the regular string beans. And then I have some onion and some cabbage. I cut it the same way I do my coleslaw, just thicker. And then I have some broccoli florets. You want those to be bite size. And some bell peppers, not too thin. And then I have some carrot. I cut it on a bias and then cut those slices in half. So that's what I have here. All right. So we're going to saute these in my hot pan here. I have some olive oil and some unsalted butter. The butter just gives it a nicer flavor, in my opinion. So we'll heat this up. We don't want it to start burning. So once the butter is melted, then just swirl things around and then we will saute some garlic. Minced garlic I'm using today. You could use sliced garlic if you prefer. I'm not going to cook this for a long time. I'm just going to add it and then go ahead and add the vegetables. Now, some people, before they do any sort of saute, they will blanch the veggies. So they cook it in hot water really quickly and then cool it down and then cook it in oil. But because these are so skinny, these French beans, I'm not going to even boil or blanch. I'm just going to go straight into the pan. And that's even better because you retain the nutrients and then they are still nice and firm and not soggy. So I'm sauteing these and then once that's going, I will add the other vegetables. I don't want to add the cabbage immediately because, with cabbage it starts to give off that water and we don't want that water yet. We want to get all of these things coated with the butter and then we can go in with the cabbage. So you'll notice the broccoli starting to get nice bright green. We can add the cabbage now because these are nicely coated with that oil and butter. So add the cabbage. We don't want it to be soggy, so there will be no water included. We will just continue to toss these together. So toss everything together at this point. And then I add a little bit more butter because, fat gives flavor. So I'm going to add some butter, guys, and toss the cabbage some more. And then I'm going to allow it to, just steam in the pot. Before I added the extra butter, I did go in with some seasoning. I'm just using one of my favorites, Maggi seasoning. You could use onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. You could stick to simply salt and pepper if you want it, to be simple. The color of the cabbage will change depending on the color of the seasoning you're using, all right? My seasoning has that orangish yellow look, so the color will change. The flavor is really nice though. But as I said, use whatever seasoning you want and then add some more butter. Stir all of this together. And this is over medium heat. We still haven't added any water, guys. Okay. Now I'm going to be going in with some thyme. You can use minced thyme, thyme leaves, the whole thyme sprig, or you could even use minced Scotch bonnet pepper. That's really nice in this. I'm just not using it today. There are many variations of this. Okay, you can add other stuff if you want to. So toss those together and then we will add a little more seasoning. I just felt like it needed a little more. And then I will cover the pot and allow it to steam over low heat. After it steams, that's it, guys. You are good to go. Okay, you can give it a taste, see if you want to add some more fresh ground pepper or something else to it, but that's it. It's super simple and it's so nice and crunchy. You don't want your vegetables to be soggy. You want them to be cooked but still have some bite to them. Okay, and I served this with some delicious salmon. Beautiful. Okay, so this is very easy. If you don't want to have a lot of carbs for dinner, you can just have this as your side dish. Really nice. So thanks for watching, and I hope you give it a try. All right, I'll see you guys next time.